Boom. Okay, nice. We're live. We're live. We're live. We're live. Hello, guys. We have a few people in here now. I haven't fell off yet. And there's the live stream. Oh my god. Perfect. And we got the chat open. Perfect. Perfect. Ping that. Tag everyone. Oh shit, it doesn't work. Sorry, one sec. Oh, I'm actually bugging out. There we go. Right, one sec. We're almost done. Chat open. Done. Leon's calls. Ah, the bot isn't working. I guess no one's joining on the YouTube this week. What the fuck, man? Okay. Oh well, right. No one's joining on the YouTube this week. Fuck it. Hello, people. Hello. Let's get into some shit. So, as you guys know, quit trading. Yeah, basically quit trading. I've taken no trades. Absolutely nothing. Look at these Forex pairs. What are we meant to do? What are you meant to do? Unless you're taking degen trades, what are you meant to do? That isn't making excuses either. This is going to be literally a 10-minute breakdown. Because what is that? So, yeah, Forex is a write-off. Forex is basically gone. I don't think that's a thing anymore. We'll do a really quick cover. Hi. Is that meant to mean hey? I be back in 2 minutes. Okay, Lytex. No worries. Hello, James. Gold 1 hour. Yeah, that's what I've been looking at. Well, that's what I've been trading, sorry. That's literally the only fun thing. That's even slightly worth it. Let me just... Okay, you guys can see that. Right, well, quickly goes over some analysis. Euro Aussie, nothing. Okay, this was the zone. That is wired as hell now. I probably won't even be interested in that. That's a 40... Hell no. However, I'll keep it there just to keep it there. No, I won't actually. No, I won't. I will only go for this level with timing or alignment now. So nice little 4 p.m. London close or alignment with another Euro pair, Aussie dollar pair, something like that, depending on what's moving the markets. If we have a reaction from that EMA and move, probably a no-go. So that is literally all I see. We do have the high as well. Obviously, I'll go for that with time or alignment. But again, chances of it tapping that, pretty slim. So that is Euro Aussie, done. Just like that. Euro NZD, another trade. Yeah, that's valid, completely valid. And I still like that trade. We'll see if it actually taps. I was potentially interested in this break retest if we had time and alignment, but yeah, it missed. So I'm not interested in that now. The high isn't as attractive compared to Euro Aussie because Euro Aussie is like 280 away. And it's a bigger level. Euro NZD only 100 away. Well, a bit more. 150, I don't know. Hello, Lytex. Hello, noob. So I'm not too interested in the high, even with time and alignment. This is the only level I'm really looking at. And then this down here. So that's it. That's Euro NZD. I'm absolutely speed running through this shit. Pound Australian dollar. Now, I need some opinions. What do you guys think of this? What are we saying? I think I like it. However, the only thing is, right, let's say you go for that. Entry about here. 40. You probably go less, to be fair. 35. Your stop loss is then on that wick. So what do you do then? Are we going 40? To cover that wick a little bit? What do you guys reckon? What do you go? Because that's not the nicest. I'm not massively keen on that. I think that cover is a bit strange. I don't know. Anyway, we have the 61, which again isn't the nicest, but I think with timer alignment I'll definitely go for it. I think with this again, that break retest I'm not a huge fan. I just prefer this level up here. I think this one is okay. I would much prefer timer alignment. So timer alignment I'll 100% go for it. Without Let me just put 100%. Without it, I'll see. I don't know. It's just covering that level is such a bastard. Because I don't want to have to go into this level. Whereas if we have time no alignment, I'm not as bothered about drawdown. So I'll happily go like 35 and I'm not really bothered about covering that level. So that's why I want time no alignment. That would be much nicer. And then regarding buys, this one currently lines up with a 200 EMA, which is really nice. This really awkward market open. So that is currently sat looking pretty nice. 200 EMA down there. So we'll see what that provides or does, or if it just stays there, fucks off. It would be nice if it pushes to this higher level. That would be nice. Then we see a breach of this, tap into this one. So that is GA. Pretty much done. GN. I don't know about GN, man. The buys are horrible, obviously. You do have like the 61 fib for the sell. But again, that is a definite no-go for me. Just because you've got so much going on there. I don't know. Just look at that price action. You've got that. What are you doing there? Because your stop loss would be here. I don't know. I'm not massively sure on that one. So I think I'd rather skip. But I would give this a go with timer alignment again. Because I'm not as bothered about covering levels when we do have timer alignment. So let's just shit. Okay. Timing / alignment. If we have that, then yeah, sure, I'll give it a go. But I mean, it's pissing off the other way now anyway, so we'll see what happens. But it could be a nice sell. We will see. So that is GN. GJ. Nope. UJ. I mean, yeah, of course I'll go for this. But to go for this, we need a breach of this. That's what we need. So a breach of both of these. And then, yeah, sure, I'll go for the 61 fib. I mean, not a breach of that one, I'm not as bothered. If it does a reaction, then breaches through this, that's obviously fine. But I need a breach minimum of this. If we do a reaction from this, there's no chance I'd go for that. So, I mean, yeah, that's about it, really. Fucking hell. This is the shortest breakdown I've ever done. And then gold. Bro, what the fuck? That daily... Why have I not looked on a daily chart in like the past few days? That daily chart is crazy. Bro, that's insane. Well, everyone guessed it right. We were talking about in the previous live streams, like, where's it going to break out next? And pretty much everyone did say to the upside. So, I mean, we got that one right. I mean, it's not exactly a hard guess. Okay, so 4 hour. What do we have on the 4 hour? We have a few on the 4 hour. There's this. That's awkward. That little break fuck off. That little break retest. I wouldn't go for the low of this level because then you got these three. That is a little bit messy. I'm pretty sure it's already been done. It hasn't really breached. I know it's breached by 200 fucking pips, but I'm not a massive fan of that breach. And it's technically already done it. I mean, if you look at that, it's already done it. Yeah, no, I ain't touching that. Hell nah. So I ain't touching that one. Yeah, no, I'm not touching that. It's already done the move. However, this, juicy. A double, however, the only thing when we have trends like this is where the fuck do you draw your fib? Because if you draw your fib from any of this, that is a forced fib. You can't draw your fib from any of this. No chance. You either draw the most recent move up, which could be that, or the big move from down here. So you can draw your fib from there, or maybe there. That's it. If you draw it from one of these, that is a forced fib. That is not the move. That's just you trying to force the level with a fib. because the move didn't start here. The move didn't start here. Of course it didn't. So obviously this isn't going to line up. I mean, it may do, to be fair. I highly doubt it. Yeah, of course it doesn't. So you only have this, which it doesn't line up. Or you have this, which doesn't line up. Okay, never mind. Fuck, that's annoying, man. However, I will consider this level if we see a breach of this. So that is the conditions. I already have an alert set. Nice. Breach. Wait, you know what? Rather than doing that and putting breach, I'll just put a thing for the trades I will take. I'll do a little... There we go. So that is a valid trade I'll take. Yeah. And that's it. Wow, that was a very, very good breakdown. I don't even have my phone on me. I don't know what time it is. Oh, it's right there. 10-minute breakdown. How was everyone else's week? That is horrendous. Yeah, how was everyone else's week? Because I did not take anything. And I doubt any of you guys took Forex trades. I'm guessing it was just gold. Gold 1 hour, I'm pretty sure I missed a few. Did I miss anything? I don't think I actually did, to be fair.
Kann nicht wer Garage fahren, ich würde schlafen gehen, ich was.
That's German, you mong.
Oh. Oh, I didn't know I
There's
was on
no
mute.
way you just spoke. Were you talking to me then?
No.
That is such a lie. You were speaking to me, weren't you?
No. I swear on my life I wasn't.
Numpty.
Why would I talk to you?
What? Oh, bro, that's
No, like-
crazy. What? Right, okay.
Okay, no, that's all on mute.
Okay. He's now gone on mute. Anyway, that's 61 fib. That was a miss. Tapped the 61 fucking perfect, but missed that. That was, I think, the only miss, right? Oh shit, there's that retest. I think I forced that fib a little bit, but that one missed by quite a bit. I think there was this break retest, the 61 fib. Yep. Which... Why didn't I take it? Oh, it missed. I swear it missed. Let's go lower, 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 lower. Yeah, it did that, didn't it? It missed by 19 and did 70. And then worked. Yeah, I remember that one. Yep. So that is 3 kind of misses. Anything else? No, then we had that shit price action all week. No. Some people took 600, which worked. I mean, it kind of missed and then worked again, but obviously you would have went before the psych. But again, I'm not really touching psychs that much. So that's it. You took nothing. Okay, yeah, that's... that is pretty much it. That is the weakest live stream I've ever done. Anyone have any questions? Analytics. I don't know actually. No, I'm gonna get cooked. I'm not even gonna say anything. I will not cash gold. You still holding? I was gonna mention fundamentals, but midweek. We'll do a midweek fundamental update. All right. I need to do a little Thunder Bash. We'll do a little Thunder Bash midweek. Yeah, okay. We'll do a Thunder Bash midweek. Maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. Tuesday or Wednesday we'll do it. But apart from that, boys, I have worked 11 hours tomorrow. Fucking hell, mate. You want to kill your salad? Yeah, I would kill my salad too, mate. That is crazy. Yeah, that's about it. I'm going to end it there. We'll just keep it short and sweet. The markets have been pretty boring at the minute, but I mean, during these times, you just got to learn to sit on your hands and just chill. That's it. I've been saying this for the past 2 weeks, but I still haven't done it because I've been busy and I've been a bit of a lazy ass, but I have actually been busy and doing work. But I need to do some more data collection. And I know I actually need to do some back testing with gold because there is so many. Like if I didn't count misses and I also took psych levels into account, I would have so many gold trades, so many, like multiple a week. So I'm going to do some data collection on gold and see what happens. So yeah, I do actually need to do that. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to wrap it up there. I appreciate you guys hopping in and stuff. Sorry for the short live stream, but yeah, peace out. Lytix will have a little thunder session. Well, of course we have